So my name is B. Gopal, Director of Factories, Telangana. So I'm the head of the Factories Department, Telangana. Our department looks after safety, health, and welfare of the workers in all factories located in Telangana state. Uh, and ours is a regulatory department, and every factory has to comply with the has to follow the legal requirements. That is Factories Act 1948 and rules the Telangana Factories Rules 1950, and the Child Labor Act, Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act, next Payment of Wage Act, Maternity Benefit Act, Manufacture, Storage and Import of Hazardous Chemicals, Chemical Accidents Rules comes under that EP Act 1986. So all the managements are supposed to comply. All the factories managements are supposed to comply with the provisions of the all these acts. And this today's seminar is pillars of protection, building a fortress of safety in pharmaceutical and chemical manufacturing. So this normally running a business is a challenge, and running a chemical factory is a big challenge. So it's not easy, and because they will be handling so many hazardous chemicals in their factories, so they have to be more careful, and they have to follow all safety protocols. They have to follow all safety procedures laid down in the acts and developed by them on their own. So that is most important. And safety is not one man job. So it is everybody's job, everyone's job. So, and it is not one day job also. So it is they have to follow each and every minute, and continuously they have to follow all safety. They have to take all necessary safety precautions in their factories. So otherwise, accidents will take place. So they have to identify the hazards. So hazard is synonymous of danger. So they have to identify the dangers or hazards in their factory and assess the risk. So that is most important. And normally these factories are run by the technical people, and ours is also a technical department. And these if the management, so these technical people, if they do not find time, so they can engage there are so many safety professionals available outside. They can engage them, and they can ask them to prepare the HIRA report, that is hazard identification and risk assessment reports, and they have to build up the safety documents, and they have, based on the, as per the documents, their workers, they have to educate the workers, they have to give training, and they have to run their factory by giving them that sufficient information in advance, and run their factory safely. That's most important. And this so if they, and there are nowadays, so technology is also available, and in olden days, some 40 years back, 30 years back, so technology was not that much advanced. Nowadays, if they spend money, so then they will get very good technology. So, and they can prevent accidents. So they should not compromise in safety. They should not hesitate to spend money on safety. So of course, many managements are there spending money on safety, because if they do not spend money and if they do not comply with the safety provisions, so then the entire factory will be gutted. So entire factory will be damaged in case of fire or explosion. So that's why this type of seminars will help the managements, and then they will rethink. So these top people have come here from pharma and chemical factories. So they so once they attend this type of seminars regularly, so they will tell to their managers or supervisors in their factories. So if the top man is committed towards safety, so then everyone will follow, like celebrities. So if a big person follows, so everyone will follow. So if the father of the family follows, naturally children will follow. If parents do not follow, children won't follow, won't listen and follow. So like that. So safety should be committed from top management and should be percolated to the down worker level. So that's most important. So they should bring that safety culture in their factories. So this safety should become way of their life. So that's more important. So actually compared to other states, in Telangana we are having more chemical factories, chemical and pharma factories. Still our accident rate is less compared to the national accident rates. But still we should not, because we are less accidents are occurring in our state. So we cannot have that complacence అంటే అలసత్వం అన్నది పనికిరాదు. So it is government is already working on that. We have conducted special drives, and regularly we are making inspections and giving some orders and technical guidance, and lot of improvements have come. So still if any small human error occurs in their factory, if they deviate the standard operating procedures of, if they delay these operations, so accidents may take place occasionally, but that is not inevitable. And if they wear the personal protective equipment, that will help them. And preparedness is also most important. Preparedness and response, planning, preparedness and response. So they have to plan their factories from the design stage to disposal stage. And if they do not plan properly, so with that the design faults, so accidents may occur, accidents may take place. So this type of seminars will help the management to learn the things, and get they will have then they will give a lot of importance to safety. That is most important. Life is precious, and don't compromise in safety. So thank you very much for giving this opportunity. Thank you.